El futuro y el condicional. Unidad 3, lección 2. Meta. Review the forms of the future and the conditional tense. Then, practice using them to describe travel arrangements. Inglés. In English, you form the future tense with the helping verb shall or will, and the conditional with the helping verb would. In Spanish, you form the future tense by conjugating the verb with the future tense endings, and the conditional by conjugating the verb with the conditional endings. El futuro. To form the future tense of regular verbs, add these endings to the infinitive. Hablar. Hablaré, hablarás, hablará, hablaremos, hablaráis, hablarán. El condicional. To form the conditional of regular verbs, add these endings to the infinitive. Compraría, comprarías, compraría, compraríamos, compraríais, comprarían. Los irregulares. To form both the future tense and the conditional of these verbs, add the same endings to these irregular stems. Caber, to fit. C-A-B-R. Decir, to say. D-I-R. Haber, there will or would be. H-A-B-R. Hacer, to do or to make. H-A-R. Poder, to be able to. P-O-D-R. Poner, to put. P-O-N-D-R. Querer, to want. Q-U-E-R-R. Saber, to know. S-A-B-R. Salir, to leave. S-A-L-D-R. Tener, to have. T-E-N-D-R. Valer, to be worth. V-A-L-D-R. Venir, to come. V-E-N-D-R. If someone says something using the future tense, then you can report what the person says with the future tense. For example, if a travel agent says, El vuelo saldrá a las 7 de la mañana. The flight will leave at 7 in the morning. If you want to say, the agent says the flight will leave at 7 in the morning, you also use the future tense. El agente dice que el vuelo saldrá a las 7 de la mañana. Or you can report what that person said in the past using the conditional tense. The agent said that the flight would leave at 7 in the morning. El agente dijo que el vuelo saldría a las 7 de la mañana. El fin.